Introduce yourself. Say your favorite color.
My name is Sherelle.
Hey, Sherelle.
Okay, so I want to do a quick introduction to the Bellavista. It is turbine driven, so you don't need an air source. For the layout, in the back we have a holder for 2 tanks. On this side we have our power button, oxygen connector, power cable.
Those are oxygen tanks, obviously?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so they can put tanks back here for transport.
Yeah, gotcha.
So it's very easy for transport.
Okay.
So once you power the device on, we'll come to our start screen. The profiles can be customized. This device has invasive, non-invasive, and high flow capabilities. And then on this side, you will have like a filter here usually, and they'll have their circuit here. The pressure line goes to the blue adapter.
Okay.
On both sides, there's like an information button. So it'll show you the layout of that side of the device.
Nice.
And then also on this side, we'll have a layout. The layout.
That's frame, okay.
Yeah. So yeah, basically, I would just show them that, like, just say, this is our device.
Is it, does it have to be plugged in, or is there
so
a battery?
so it lasts at least 4 hours fully charged.
Okay. How do you know? Is there a battery indicator? Or?
Yeah, it'll be
Gotcha, okay.
right here. It'll
Cool.
show, yeah, so invasive, non-invasive, high flow.
Okay.
Most places are only using this non-invasively to replace the V60. And so you can customize the profile. So their ST,
What's the V60?
it's like the older bypass device that is going away. So a lot of places are trying to replace that with the Bellavista.
Okay.
So this is just like a traditional BiPAP spontaneous time mode. So we'll put in our settings. So I'm just gonna hit this arrow. So to make changes, you tap up and down.
Is there like an average that you'd want, or is it specific to the patient?
It's specific to the patient.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Most places start at like 12, let's say 12 over 6. Okay. And then you have your eye time max, which is like a maximum eye time.
So IPAP and what's the EPAP?
EPAP is like PEEP kind of.
Okay.
So it's like the pressures.
Gotcha.
basically.
Yeah. Okay.
Like inspiratory pressure and PEEP.
Okay.
So you have a max eye time, which is a little bit different from other devices. Other devices, it just has a set eye time. But on ours, it's a maximum eye time. So the patient has control over their eye time, but this is just the maximum amount.
Can they adjust that while they're...
Yeah, you can adjust
Okay.
it. But we really recommend to keep it between 1.3 and 1.5.
Okay.
Okay, so you have your flow trigger. They can figure out if they want a flow or pressure trigger. And then we're able to set the expiratory trigger and rise time to auto, which a lot of places like, because it will adjust breath by breath to meet your patient's demand.
Okay.
And then we'll have our rate set and then set our oxygen. And so once we have everything set, I'm gonna hit this arrow. And then once you start, you have to hit start ventilation.
Is there certain patients that you would definitely, cases that you'd want to be using this for, or ones that you definitely wouldn't want to be, like, for the type of patient? Okay.
They'll know, like, you know, because a lot of patients use BiPAP, like some patients use BiPAP at night, or some patients use BiPAP in distress. Or, you know, it's very situational.
Okay. Just asking for, like, when I talk to them, like, what kind of patient cases do you have here, or patient needs do you have?
So a BiPAP is like a very widely used device, like across all patient types, even pediatric.
Okay.
So,
so
the contraindications, they would not even order a BiPAP if it was contraindicated for a patient.
Okay.
So that's on them to know.
Yeah.
So any patient could technically use this.
Okay, that's good. That's universal. Yeah, that makes it easy.
Okay, so once we come to our cockpit screen, this is our main screen. You have your pressure, flow, and volume waveforms. And then on this side, you'll have your measured values. And to place it on standby, you just hit stop ventilation and then slide over to the So basically, that's it. Like, I know usually like the sales reps, they usually just like, look at the device, it's turbine driven, you don't need an air source, because that's really big. A lot of devices, you have to plug it into the oxygen and the air, but plugging it up only to oxygen is better for transport, because that way you won't have to have an air tank. So that's a really big
I'm
plus.
gonna like you know, this like the back of my hand.
Yeah.
Because I want to be able to talk to it, because if you get questions, you want to be able to speak intelligently to it. And basically, it's like that's how you take care of them.
Yeah, exactly.
All
So
set?
that's pretty much the gist.
Okay.